Alrighty, you guys, so I have my lovely cup of coffee. It's actually totally leaking right now, which is why I have this. No one will even know. So, I had a couple friends tell me that I should start making YouTube videos again, namely Emily and Jeremy Smith. Shout out to you guys. So then I told my husband about it, and he said, baby, you totally should. So I was like, oh, I did really like making YouTube videos, and I like the whole video editing thing, and I kind of want to dive back into it, so here I am making a YouTube video. There's not too much on this agenda for the YouTube video, but I thought I wanted to do a quick little workout today. I gotta do a painting today. I've been such a lazy booger about this, but a sweet lady from the church told me that she wants me to paint a mountain scene for her office. So I picked up this white picture frame from the Dollar Tree. Let's see here, it was $1. And I thought it would be really pretty if I did the mountain scene. It was framed in this white crisp frame. So we'll see if I can paint that today. Also, guys, if you haven't been to the Dollar Tree, yo, there's some amazing things. I got these 4 little wooden, well, they're not actually wooden because, hey, it's $1, but they look like they're wooden picture frames, and I thought I'd paint little herbs in each one and hang them up in my kitchen. So that's kind of fun. But one thing I really want to do today is a workout. Who else has fallen off the bandwagon? I know it's 2021. We're all like, this is going to be the year we actually work out. Well, that didn't totally happen for me. So I've decided today I'm going to do a workout. I kind of want to do a workout in like a grassy field in the middle of nowhere. Like I just feel like that'd be super legit. So I'm going to try to find one, and I will see you over there. Pew! Alrighty, y'all, time for our booty workout. I'm going to start off with some glute activation. The first exercise I'm going to be doing is 20 body weight squats. The importance of glute activation, you guys, is honestly so much. It improves posture, it improves athletic performance, it reduces chance of injury, and it literally activates or warms up your glutes as you are working out. Excuse me as I fix this pesky little branch that was bothering me. Alright, the last couple bits of glute activation, I do 15 lunge kickbacks on each leg. Again, this is just warming up the glute so that we can more effectively work out our booty when we add in the weights. Here I am doing 15 fire hydrants. And our last one is 50 donkey kicks. You want your elbows on the ground and make sure that your foot is flexed for this one. Now on to the glute workout. Here I am adding in weights, and I'm doing 3 sets of 15 deadlifts. I'm just using a little 15-pound weight. What's great about these exercises though is you can do, instead of doing 3 reps, you can do 2 reps. Instead of doing 15 weights, you can do 5-pound weights. Like you can literally cater this to exactly what your fitness needs are. Here I'm doing 3 reps of 12 weighted back lunges. Here I am taking a little commercial break to show you guys my cutie of all cutie pigs, Hammentations. Alrighty, here we go, little hammies. Y'all, they say raise up a pig in the way he should go, so when he grows old, he will not depart from you. Also, little side note, look at my little pig's tail when he wags it. Oh, so cute. Alrighty, y'all, I take a second intermission to talk about my Skinners. Those of you who follow me on Instagram, you know I sing the praises of Skinners. They're essentially like walking around bare feet, but your feet are protected because it's got this layer of, gosh, I have no idea what that is. But you can stick them in the washer and they come out brand new. Y'all, I wear these every single day. I hike in them, I run in them, I do chores in them, I can travel in them. Guys, Skinners are life. Okay, I'm back to the workout. The last workout we're doing is these weighted glute bridges, and you want to keep your core engaged. That is so important. I do realize these look a little bit awkward, but you know what? They work so well. I cannot recommend glute bridges more. Alrighty, y'all, we have officially finished the booty workout. That felt good. I know I'm gonna feel it tomorrow. 10 out of 10 recommend working out in a field of grass. Loved it. The ground was a little uneven, but other than that, super great. I was gonna do abs, but we all know I'm too lazy for that. So we ain't gonna do abs. Instead, I'm probably just gonna eat some food. All right, I'll see you in my next scene clip. Guys, I don't know how to YouTube. Alrighty, so I have finished making my little lunch snack. This is organic Greek yogurt from Costco, and organic frozen blueberries from Costco, and organic raw honey from, you guessed it, Costco. And then the last thing that makes it so good is the raw cacao nibs. I get that one actually from Grocery Outlet, not from Costco. Guys, this is the perfect little snack. I love it so much. It's so refreshing. Oh, it's really cold. The other little thing I'm snacking on is these homemade gelatin gummies that I made. These are so good. They're gut healing. They're good for your metabolism. I wish I could just like hand you one right through the screen so you could taste it, but it takes like 10 minutes for repair, and then you just pop it in the fridge for an hour. And the perfect little snack. Okay guys, so let's talk about a little bit of a life update. For those of you who don't know, I'm living in a little trailer that me and my husband are renovating. How are renovations going, you may ask? Oh, well, let me tell you. Very slow. But I will tell you, I have some inspirationoids. I just started following this girl on Instagram. Y'all, just look at the things that she posts. It's insane. Her name is Hello, I'm Obs, and just look at these dreamy things, those shelves, the greenery. Guys, I mean, her house is so beautiful, and so I'm kind of taking my inspiration off of that. So anyways, that's where I'm at with the trailer decor. So probably some of you guys are wondering, what can I expect to see on this channel? Well, probably trailer renovations. I have some fun project ideas in mind. I'll probably post some workouts, some skincare, some beauty. I'm also working on making a little herb garden in the back of the trailer, so I'll keep you updated on that. You'll probably see me doing some devotionals. You'll see me talking about nutrition and food. All of these things fascinate me so much. You'll also probably see a lot more of my pig. My pig is the love of my life, besides my husband and the Lord, of course. And so you'll probably see a lot of him in my YouTube videos. Maybe you'll see my husband, guys. I don't know. Should we do one of those little coupley YouTube videos? I don't know. Maybe he'll agree to that. Who knows? I always want to end my videos with either a devotional or a quote or something inspirational that you can take away as a little nugget. So today's quote is, "Allow God to continually soften your heart so that it beats for what His heart beats for, people." I just think that's so good. So go ahead and take that into your week and apply that. And I'll see you in my next video.